Hello, today I would like to talk about architectural sections. In that case, we have a plan. You understand, it's just a sketch. We will make section sketch as well. When we do have our plan and section sketches, we can make real drawing in AutoCAD or on paper. So at this moment, when we have a plan, we should decide where will we cut this plan. I have decided that this will be the line where I will cut my room, because in that case I will see my door and my window in section line. If we will cut somewhere like here, we will see just a wall here and here. And what is also very important, this arrow shows the direction of our future section. So if we put our arrow here, we will be looking from that side to this part of our room. If we shall put our arrow from that side, we will have to look from that side to this part of our room. So in that case, we are cutting through the doors, through our room and through this window. The section line is point line, and we should put one in each side of our section line near the arrow. Why one? One, it means that this is the first section. If we will make section somewhere here later, then we will place two here and here. So when we have decided that our section will be here, we should take our wall lines and go with them lower to the place where we will start making our section. So this is the width of the room. Now we can put down the width of the wall on one side, on another side. So when we have two walls, we should make a floor line somewhere. Let's say somewhere here. We don't have to take any measures because we are preparing our sketch for the measure taking. The next step will be ceiling. The ceiling will be somewhere here above the floor. This line doesn't meant to be right here. I could place it here or here. It doesn't matter at this step. Now we have two walls, ceiling and a floor. We will put our window in this wall. As you understand, our window starts somewhere above the floor, let's say here, and it ends somewhere below the ceiling. This is our window in section, and we will make the same drawing like on our plan. Here we will see two lines of glass and these squares, which mean window profile. On that wall there will be doors. Doors starts from the floor and ends somewhere, let's say here. What should we remember? If we go through our window or door aisle in that section line, we will show those lines thin because we don't see them on our section, but further. But those lines will be strong lines because we are cutting through that wall, and it will be like that from one side and from another side as well. So this is the wall above those doors, and the door, there is an empty place. We can see this line here, but it's not in our section line, but a little bit further. Our ceiling and floor is strong line. Now we can just make section lines for better understanding. Now we can see one window here and one window here. We will take the width of those windows the same way. We will just put down those lines from our windows, like this. At the moment we will let the height of the window to be the same as the previous one. and we can make those lines stronger as well. We can put also those window profiles here. All architectural side of our section is done. Now we can put down our furniture. Only piece of furniture that we have in that section part is this stool. So we are just putting down the weight of this stool as well as with other parts. So this is the weight, and somewhere here will be the top of our stool. As you see, at this point we don't do any kind of detailing of that stool. Let's say the stool could be something like this. Yeah, this would be the leg of the stool somewhere here, and this is the top, goes over the leg. So we are not going in those nuances. It's just a box. One important part from the section is height measures. So we have to know the height of bottom of our window, height of the top of our window, and height of the ceiling. We have to know the height of the door as well, and the height of the only element we have, this stool. The height of this and this window we will see here, so we don't have to put them once more there. As you see, the style what I use to put measures, they are not the same as on the plan. On the plan we use those lines to put our measure on them, and there is a millimeters. But here we will put our measures in meters. So the bottom of our window will be at the height of 0.80 meters. The top of the window will be 2.20 meters. The top of the ceiling will be 2.70 meters. The top of the door will be 2.0 meters, and the top of the stool will be 0.45 meters. So as you can see, all our heights are in meters. All those heights will be different in other rooms, but technique is one for all. And here we will put down the name section 1.1 because of those numbers here. It's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful for you. Goodbye.